So, what are for loops? So, when you know you want to execute a certain block of code for a certain amount of number of times, then we can use for loops. For example, here we have a coffee menu array of type string, right? Coffee menu. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. We have 5 items and we want to print them one by one, right? Here I have used print, right? Print coffee menu, but we can reduce all of this by using for loops. So how we will do that is we will write a for loop for, and also it consists of 3 statements. We will initialize I equals 0. You can also initialize it to whatever value you want, but here I will use initialize I 0, and then I will say when I is less than coffee menu dot length, right? So when I is less than the length of this array, then I want to increment, right? So it will I will start from 0 and go all the way to 4, right? So how I will iterate through all of these, it is very easy. System dot out dot print line, and then all I have to do is mention coffee menu, and then my apologies, and then all we have to do is mention I. So when it will execute for the first time, it will go through the first what do we say, first item, right? I is 0, right? Once it execute, it will add I, like once it executes the loop, it will iterate. The next time it will become 1, and then the next time it will become 2, 3, 4, and then after that it will exit, right? So if I want to execute, and here I'll just comment this, and now I will execute it, executed the same, right? For example, we want to know how it goes through all the elements, right? System dot out dot print I, right? So here, as you can see, let me print ln, right? And then espresso 0. So the first item is at the location 0, right? Cappuccino 1, right? And the same way until 4. Another problem is if you make it less than or equal to, it will give us an error. Index out of bounds, right? Index out of bound. Because why index out of bound? Because number 5 does not exist. There is no number 5. For an array you cannot use equal to. You should always use less than, because an array starts from 0, right? And the last item will not be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? It will be the 5. This will have a position of 5. So if you execute, and then another coffee. So that is all about for loops. Thanks for watching.